Wow, welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic outlook, technical outlook. Now, this is the first. This is a new month, and today is third. But now, we will take a look at technical outlook because every month end I used to use technical analysis and fundamental analysis to predict Terra Classic, and most of prediction has been going well because this is over 13 to 14 years of trading experience, 13 to 14 years of using technical indicators like candlestick and other indicators. Now for me, based on what I can see based on the outlook, technical outlook, Terra Classic this month is definitely going to rise more than last month. Now last month actually increased more than May, which I also predicted. Now this month you can see some formation of candlestick, you can see some formation of dochi, you can see dochi, you can see even railway track, you can see kind of a W form trying to come up. So what I'm seeing right here, believe that high trading volume is going to, we are going to see high trading volume. Terra Classic is going to rise. This is definitely going to be a bullish month, more than what occurred last month. And if that happens, it's definitely going to be good for Terra Classic. For this month, I see Terra Classic rising. I see Terra Classic on a bullish side, okay? But I just hope all goes well for Terra Classic. I hope with all these indicators, Terra Classic still maintain that high trading volume they have actually maintained recently. So, but from what I can see, because I don't give prediction, I only predict what I see in crypto industry or in forex trading. If you want to make money, you don't assume, don't feel, don't hope, you don't bring in hope, you don't bring in, you actually trade, you actually trade what you see, okay? You don't trade what you hope. That is how you make money. A lot of people have actually lost money in trading, in forex, in cryptocurrency, just because they are trading hope, they are trading feelings. That's why they feel, I feel like this thing, it will go up. Yeah, you keep losing, okay? But when you trade what you see, look, what I'm seeing right now is this coin is going down. Definitely don't trade. Okay, so for me, what I'm seeing this month is Terra Classic is definitely going to rise more better than last month. But remember, this is not the financial advice. So please, thank you once again. Thank you for stopping by.